How to change cover photo on Facebook without posting. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To change your cover photo on Facebook without posting, start off by launching the Facebook app in your device. So over here, make sure to log in into your Facebook account if you have not yet. Then you can head over and click on the three horizontal line at the top. Now to change your cover photo, click on your profile. At the top, you will see the option of Add Cover Photo. If you already have a cover photo and wish to change it, you can just press and hold on to it. Then you will see the option of Change Cover Photo. Click on this option and tap on Upload Photo. You will have to select a photo from your gallery, then you can adjust the width, the length, and the zoom feature of your cover photo. After which, at the bottom, you will see the option of Share Your Update to News Feed. If it is toggled on or ticked mark, it means that this cover photo will be shared to public. However, since we do not want it to post, just untick the box and select on the Save button. By doing this, your cover photo will be changed on Facebook without posting or updating in the news feed, as you can see right here in this section. So this is how you change cover photo on Facebook without posting. Hopefully this was helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning. This sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for